Good morning to all. Welcome to the virtual class of computer of class 6th. Today we are going to start lesson number 3rd, part number 2. Our topic is modifying slides in OpenOffice Impress. So let's start. Resize the image. We can resize the picture by bringing the mouse pointer to the corner of the image. When mouse pointer is brought to the corner of the image, it turns into a double side arrow. Now, if we press and hold the left button, drag it either in the outwards or inwards direction, the size of the image will be decreased or increased. Let's do a practical. Open your OpenOffice. Next, presentation. Empty presentation. Create. Now I am inserting any image. Suppose environment option. Select a picture. Right click on it. Insert and then copy. Our picture insert in a slide. Now here is green dots. We can click any green dot, click the left button of the mouse, hold it and drag it outside or inside. Now you can resize your image. Suppose I want this, then release the mouse click. Our next topic is drawing tools. The drawing toolbar contains all necessary functions for drawing various geometric and freehand shapes and organizing them on page. A step is click on the menu bar, click on view option, go to the toolbars and go to drawing option. The various tools in the drawing toolbars are here. You can use any of these shapes. Let's do a practical. Open your OpenOffice Impress. Click on the view menu. Go to toolbars and click on drawing toolbar. Now here is show some drawing tools like as stars, callouts, arrows. So we can choose any of them. Suppose I click on this, click on left button of mouse and drag it on the screen and release the mouse button. Our next topic is font work. How we can inserting font work in a slide. Font work allows us to give various effects and styles to the text. Step first, go to view menu. In the menu bar, select toolbars and then font work. The font work menu bar is appeared on the screen. Next, click on the font work gallery tab on the font work toolbar. Choose any font work and then click on OK. The selected font work will appear as shown below. Double click on any font work inserted to insert the desired text. Let's do a practical. Open Office Impress slide. Click on View menu. Go to Toolbars and click on Font Work. The Font Work toolbar is appeared. Click on this icon. Here we choose any of design. Suppose I want this. Click on this. Click OK button. The selected design appeared on the screen. Double click on here. Click on this side and erase this name, and you can write any name. Suppose I write DAV Public School and click on other side on the screen. Now you can see the effect of the font work. You can increase or decrease it by clicking on the green dots. Thank you.